today we are in Earth Science class, and we're going to review what we did last class, and then you guys have a test, which you all know, on Friday. Friday, Helen.
Sorry.
So does anyone remember what we learned last class?
Oh.
Yes, Neil?
It was about the snow and rain.
Everything that's happening in our atmosphere. So precipitation, condensation, all those things. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to hand you guys questions, and you guys are going to write down the answer to the question, and you're going to raise your hand. I'm going to call on you, and we're going to review the questions. Okay? And you guys all have a pencil. So Neil, here's a question for you. Joey, a question for you. And Helen's a question for you. And if you guys would like to review things down, you can write it on this piece of paper. Alright, so take a second, take about 10 seconds and think about your answer. And then I'll call on you guys and we'll review the answers. So just look up at me when you guys have the answer. Okay, Helen, you ready? Okay, so who had the question, what is energy? Neil, okay, what did you write for that?
So my question was, what is energy? And I said, energy is the ability to do work.
Good job.
And energy is always conserved, and it goes through different forms, like chemical, heat, light.
Very good. Okay, who had what is precipitation?
Oh, I see.
Helen? Okay, what is it?
Well, it's rain, it's snow, it's sleet. It falls from the sky.
Okay, good job. And who had, what is condensation?
I did.
Joey.
Condensation is when a gas changes to liquid.
Good job. Okay, so that's the review from last class, and those questions will be on your next test. You can use your review, the pink sheet for the review sheet for the next questions, which are on Earth Science as well. And I made review questions for you guys. And this is all about the different energy sources, the energy from our sun, renewable and non-renewable energy sources. So everyone will get 2 questions. And we will review them.
These notes?
You can keep them.
Oh.
Keep all your questions.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys are going to review those questions, but after you finish, we're going to play a game called Solar Ball. And how this is going to work is you guys will answer the questions. I will call on you, and then if you get it correct, I will throw the ball to you. Once you get the answer, once you answer it, then whoever gets your question correct, you're going to throw the ball to them. But you guys will make sure when you're throwing the ball that you remember the cues for overhand throw. Does anyone remember the cues for overhand throw? What we learned in PE class the other day?
Oh, I remember it.
Neil, you remember?
It was ring, ring, hello.
Who is it?
Who is it?
Almost. Okay, ring, ring, hello, it's for you.
Ring, ring,
Okay?
oh, it's for you. Okay.
Alright, so everyone take about 10 seconds and review only one question right now. And when you're done, you're going to look up at me. Take about 10 seconds. Okay, you guys are all done already? Wow. Okay, so I will start off with my question, and then if anyone knows the question, you're going to raise your hand and answer it. Okay, my question is, what's the largest ocean in the world? Helen.
The Pacific.
Okay, good job. You got it correct. And do you know how deep it is? Like the deepest point? It's about 37,000 feet. Okay, now you're going to stand up, and we're going to play the game Solar Ball. So you're going to stand up. Okay, I'm going to pass it to you, focusing on my cues. We're going to ring, ring. Hello, it's for you.
It's for you.
And I'm going to say Helen, passing it to you. So now you're going to take your question, and you're going to read it out to the class and ask them if they know the answer. What is your question?
What is kinetic energy, and give an example?
Okay, Neil.
Kinetic energy is energy in motion. And so an example is me skateboarding down a hill.
Okay, good job. Helen? Neil, you stand up. Helen, remember your
Ring,
cues.
ring.
Hello.
It's for you.
I have to give a question, right?
Yep. What's your question?
Okay, what are some renewable energy sources?
Yes, Joey?
Wind
Mhm.
and the sun, which is solar power.
Good job, Helen.
Tides.
Nice. Okay, that was a very good one. All right. So, Joey, you stand up now. Neil, remember your cues for throwing the ball.
Ring, ring. Hello. For you.
Nice. Good job, Joey. What's your question?
My question is, what is coal in detail?
Does anyone know that one? Helen, what is it?
It's organic matter.
Okay, good job. Let's start. Neil?
It's highly combustible and can be used in electricity generation, which is
Good
why it's
job.
used all around the world today.
All right, is that it on your sheet,
Yep.
Joey?
That's
All right.
everything.
So now we're going to throw it to Helen.
Ring ring. Hello. It's for you.
All right, Helen, what's your next question?
What is potential energy? Give an example.
Okay, does anyone know what that question is?
Ready?
Neil, what is it?
Potential energy is energy that's stored.
Mm-hmm.
And an example is me with my skateboard on top of a ramp. I have all the energy stored because I haven't used it to go down.
Correct. Nice. Okay, Helen, you're going to throw it back to Neil now. So Neil, stand up.
Hello. It's for you.
Good throw. Nice.
My next question is list some facts about the sun.
Okay. Back to the sun. Joey?
The sun has solar energy in it.
Mm-hmm. Anything else? Helen?
It's a star.
Okay, good. Anything else you want to add, Neil? Joey, what is it?
The sun, the energy from the sun is also used by living and non-living things.
Perfect. That's a really good one. Yes, Helen?
It's the center of our solar system.
Okay, nice. Okay, did you have anything else, Neil?
Yeah, I said the sun's energy comes from the core of the
Mm-hmm.
sun.
Good.
And yeah.
Okay. Joey, you have another question for us?
Yeah.
Okay, so you stand up. Neil, you throw it.
Ring, ring. Hello. It's for you.
My question is, what are 4 non-renewable energy sources?
Ooh, tough one. Anyone know? Neil?
Natural gas, like at the gas station.
Mm-hmm. Helen?
Petroleum.
Good, nice. Okay, Neil?
Nuclear, through nuclear reactors.
Yeah. Helen?
Coal.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's it.
That's it. Okay, perfect. Now throw the ball back to me. Do your cues.
Oh.
Ring ring. Hello. It's for you.
Nice job. Okay, well, it sounds like you guys have reviewed a lot for the past couple of days outside of school, which is very good. So now I'm going to throw the ball to each one of you, and you're going to tell me what's your favorite part of the lesson and how you're going to study for this test. So whoever can go first, just raise your hand. I'm going to throw it to you. Okay, Joey, here it comes.
My favorite part was throwing the ball, and I'm going to study by doing more review questions like this.
Nice, okay. Throw it back to me. Who would like to go next? Neil?
My favorite part of the lesson was learning about renewable and non-renewable energy sources. I think it's really relevant. And I'm going to study by going outside and looking at the sun to remind me of all the things that I
Good.
learned about the sun.
Nice. Okay, Helen, coming to you.
My favorite part of this lesson was realizing how all the topics corresponded.
Okay, good job.
I'm gonna study by reviewing my notes.
Good job. Okay, nice.
Ring ring. Hello. It's for you.
Nice. Okay, so you guys remember on the test, it's about the atmosphere and about earth science, so what we just covered today. So I hope you guys are ready for the test. Okay, Candid.